meteorologist, Holden LeCroy.
Welcome back. We started off with quite a bit of cloud cover this morning, but again, high sun angle this time of year quickly eroded this afternoon. Live look outside towards Eugene. Temperatures right now sitting in the mid 80s. We do get some kind of regulatory heat, I will say, over the next couple of days. 80s, very close to 90 degrees. But by the second half of the week, we start to ramp things up quickly. And there's a very good chance most of us will be at 100 degrees for Saturday afternoon. The only form of relief today is out toward the coast. Temperatures in the 60s right now. But realistically, you guys have had some pretty gusty winds out there today. So even though you've had the relief from the temperatures, maybe the pollen, you've had the gusty winds really throughout the entire afternoon. You notice the grass pollen numbers starting to come down a little bit. It's not because of rain, it's not because of wind, it's because we're starting to enter the dormancy period for grass across the region. So as that happens, grass will also start to dry out. And with this heat this weekend, lower humidity, now is the time to be extra cautious, especially with those tow chains, making sure that you don't have any fireworks near any type of forest or dry grass over the course of this weekend. Here's a satellite across the region. A little bit of cloud cover this morning, quickly eroded away. We have some lingering cumulus clouds up towards areas of Portland, but for the most part, high pressure is trying to make itself shown. The only problem is this cold front that is going to be passing overnight tonight, but it is a very, very weak cold front. It's what we call a dry cold front. Only going to bring a little bit of cloud cover tonight, which will willy erode once again for your Tuesday afternoon. Here's a look at the potential clouds early tomorrow morning, mainly focused up into the foothills areas of the Willamette Valley, but you notice by the afternoon, clear sunny skies, and we'll repeat that for Wednesday as well. And like yesterday, like today, and like on tomorrow, we are expecting those winds to kick up once again. And you can notice toward Tuesday afternoon, potential wind gusts at times near 40 miles per hour for the Oregon coast. So you had the wind today. It is going to keep on building as we start to see this change. The change being warmer temperatures. We're up to 83 on Wednesday, perfectly normal, but then we start to heat things up to more late July standards. These temperatures we typically see in the month of August, and we are seeing them a little bit sooner than normal. 100 degrees by Saturday afternoon, and we can honestly probably hit that on Friday as well as Sunday. So go ahead, check those AC, and also this weekend, make sure you check on the elderly and the homeless, because we are going to be seeing temperatures climbing all the way through the course of the weekend. It's not just the temperatures, it's how long it's going to last. You see this ridge building across much of the west coast. These are anticipated peak high temperatures. We're not as bad as Redding, 118 degrees, 92 even up into the Seattle area. But notice this high pressure hangs in place all the way through next week. We should start to see some regulatory heat by the middle part of July, and that's in the form of this long wave trough. But for the most part, the heat is going to be here to stay. It's just going to be a little less intense once we move into next Monday. So let's get to those high temperatures. 66 the next couple of days for the coast, but with that comes some very gusty winds near 40 miles per hour at times. But notice even toward Florence, Coos Bay, offshore flow. That is going to lead to temperatures near 82 on Saturday afternoon. For the Roseburg area, we had a few clouds today. We'll get that for Tuesday, but it will not last for long. We are up to 105 degrees on Saturday. We will start to cool things off to a nice crisp 98 degrees by next week. For the Cascades, 68 degrees tomorrow afternoon, quickly ramping things up. Even at pass level, this is 5,000 feet of elevation. We're up to 95 degrees on Saturday, and that translates right here across Willamette Valley as well. 80s are going to be a distant thing of the past. Heck, maybe even 90s will be a distant thing of the past as early as Friday. We're going to be flirting with 100, but Matt, yeah, we have not seen this since August of 2023. Yeah. And that could keep on going through at least the first couple days next week.
Seems like right about July 1st, things do begin to warm up around here.
Oh, yeah.